So what's up, guys? I got a quick unboxing for y'all. This one is the Ducati Performance Passenger Comfort Seat for the 959 and the 1299. So I do a lot of riding with my daughter and sometimes with my wife. And when we used to go out on my Monster, we could ride for hours straight and my daughter would be comfortable. I took her out on the Panigale last week and she was fine for maybe the first 10, 15 minutes. Then after that, she was in complete pain. So my wife was like, if I go out with you, I wanted to be as comfortable as possible too. So she made me order this seat. So for when she rides with me, it won't be as unbearable as it was with the stock passenger seat. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And before we do, let me just tell you guys the part number. It's 968802318. And like I said, this is factory from Ducati. Well, not factory, but it's made by Ducati. So let's go ahead and see what we got. And from the pictures I've seen of this online, it looks kind of ugly on the bike, but it does match the regular comfort seat pretty good. Better than the stock seat does. So let's get this out of the way. Right. So apparently it's supposed to have a whole bunch more padding. And it doesn't look too bad actually in hand, but for some reason when I saw pictures of it online, it looked like it was too fat, like sticking up in the air too high. But you can see you got the nice red stitching, the same material as the regular comfort seat, which is a pretty nice touch. You can see here you have the sticker with the part number. The quality is pretty good. I love the red stitching. So let's go ahead and put this on the bike and see what it looks like. So here we have the stock seat, and I did sit on this seat myself when I first got the bike, and it was completely unbearable, even like immediately. It's almost like the seat is a thong and it just goes straight up your ass. But I got my key here, so let's go ahead, pull this off and put the other one on. So here's a quick comparison of the two seats, and this one is noticeably thicker when you have them side by side. You can see on the side here, this one just comes around here and just goes straight up. This one comes around the side, goes up about an inch, and then it goes up a little bit. So it's like probably a whole extra inch of padding on this seat as compared to the stock seat. All right, so go ahead and slide this bad boy on. Okay, this one's not this easy to get on. I don't know why. Let's take out this. This seat does not go on easy. Shit. Okay, so the seat is on, and you can see the design just flows nicely into the regular comfort seat, and it looks really good together. I just don't really like the way it looks, how high it sits, so I probably won't leave this on the bike when I'm not riding with a passenger. So, but I think overall it looks pretty good. Let me just test it out. see what it feels like. Oh yeah, this is a lot more comfortable than the stock seat. Like I said, when I got on the stock seat, immediately I was like, ouch. This is actually not too bad. But I still wouldn't want to sit on this, you know, for an extended period of time at all. Actually, I would never want to be on the back of a bike, period, but that's a whole nother topic. But yeah. So yeah, like I said, I just wanted to make this a quick video for you guys, just in case anybody was interested in picking one of these up yourself. The price of this is about 170 bucks, so it's not too bad. Sometimes you can find them on eBay used for about 100, 120 bucks. But I think if you ride this bike with a passenger, this is a must-have accessory. So yeah, I hope you guys found this useful. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, all right? Peace.